Good morning. So in our next practical, we are going to discuss about the diuretic activity of fusimide. Now the experiment is study of diuretic activity using metabolic cage. Now coming to the introduction of this experiment, so diuretics are the substance which increases the flow of urine. In normal, if we are consider usually the rat having the very small urine output, for example 1 to 2 ml per rat per day. Therefore, whenever we are doing the experiment with the animal, it is very important that we should measure the urine properly so that we can get the result. So if we want to increase the urine output, so first condition is it should be hydrated, otherwise we won't get the proper result. Similarly, urine, whenever we are going to give the different drugs, for example fusimide, which is a loop diuretic, or a thiazide diuretic, or you can say that acetazolamide, carbonic anhydrase inhibitor, these are the different diuretics are there. After administration of this drug, what we are going to measure? We are going to measure that whether the urine outflow is increased or not. Now, increase into the volume is measured with the help of this metabolic cage. So, this is the metabolic cage. You can say that it is a cylindrical one, cylindrical compartment. So, what we are going to do? We are going to keep the animal here. Clear? We are going to keep the animal here, and here actually this is a net type, you can say that structure is there. Here we can give the food, and through here we can give the water. So we are giving the adequate quantity of the food and the water to the animal, to the rat, and whenever this rat passes the fecal matter or the urine, it will come and it will uh, accumulate into this particular portion of the metabolic cages, and from here we can directly measure the urine. Whereas the fecal matter, because it is a net type structure is there, fecal matter won't pass through this net, only the urine it will pass through the net, and therefore we can say that generally we are measuring the 24 hours of urine, the total quantity 24 hours of urine we are collecting, and we are measuring the quantity. So first of all, what we are doing, as we know that diuretic is a substance which increase the urine outflow. So before administration of the diuretics, we are measuring the 24 hours of urine, and after the uh, administration of the diuretics, we are again measuring the volume of the urine for the 24 hours. So this experiment we are going to do again through the software. Clear? We are going to do the software. So I think you have understood what is the structure of the metabolic cage. It is a very simple structure, cylindrical one. Here the mesh are there, nets are there to prevent the flow of fecal matter. Only the urine it will flow, and through this we can give the water and the food. Clear? So let's see how we are performing the experiment using the software.